Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. They built Buckingham Palace in 1703. Who are they? The King? The Queen? Her lords and ladies? The builders? What were their names? Who knows? Who cares? It's not important. The important thing is that Buckingham Palace was built in 1703. That's the main use of the passive in English. You make the passive with the verb to be in whichever tense: present simple, past continuous, present perfect, whichever tense, plus the third form, the past participle of the following verb. Buckingham Palace was built. Build, built, built. The third form. Buckingham Palace was built in 1703. So, the passive. We use it in English when we want to show that the action is more important than the person doing it. English grammar? The passive voice? Easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.